Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best lamb shoulder ever. Make it for a special occasion or to entertain with these very easy steps that produce the most tender, flavorful meat. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. And here I have a very nice cut of lamb shoulder. It's about 8 pounds and I asked the butcher to clean some of the fat. I'm gonna salt it liberally with kosher salt on both sides. And it's very important that the meat is dry. So if you give it a little rinse, please make sure to dry it with a paper towel. I add the salt and I drizzle with vegetable oil about 2 to 3 tablespoons on both sides. Rub it very well. And please don't use olive oil or butter. Vegetable oil is all you need. Add 5 cinnamon sticks, 5 bay leaves, and a big shallot. Peel it and cut it into half. Add it to the pan. Add about 2 liters of hot boiling water. Try to use a good sized pan. All you have to do now is cover it. And I'm gonna add a piece of parchment paper on top of the meat so that it won't stick to the silver paper or the foil paper. Cover it on all sides very well. Make it tight around the edges. And if you're not sure it's closed well, double the foil paper. Now let's talk about baking. You're gonna start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. You're gonna place it in the oven for 15 minutes at 400, and then you're gonna reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and leave it to cook for about 4 to 5 hours. Here's the meat 3 hours later. It's starting to get so tender. I'm also checking on the liquid. It's just fine. I'm gonna cover it the same way and put it back in the oven for another 1.5 to 2 hours. This is the final outcome. 5 hours later, the meat is looking great. It is so tender. And you can actually serve it on a platter, just like you see here with your favorite sides. Or you can actually shred it and serve it on top of rice or whatever sides you like. I'd rather you shred it. You can heat it and serve it easily anytime you want. I hope you give this recipe a try. This is the most amazing way to make lamb shoulder. And until next time, bon appétit!